Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to block emails from a specific sender on iPhone using Outlook. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app by tapping on the Outlook icon on your iPhone. This will launch the application and take you directly to your email inbox, where you can manage all your incoming messages. Once your emails have loaded and you can see your inbox, it's time to identify the sender you want to block. Navigate through your inbox and locate an email from the specific sender whose messages you no longer want to receive. This could be anyone from unwanted marketing emails to spam senders that keep cluttering your inbox. When you find an email from that sender, tap on their profile icon to select the message. You'll immediately see 3 options appear at the top right part of your mobile screen, giving you quick access to various actions you can take with this email. From the list of options that appears, look for the 3-dot icon and tap on it. This icon represents additional settings and features that aren't immediately visible in the main menu. Tapping this icon will expand the menu, revealing more options that you can use to manage this particular email and sender. From this expanded list of options, simply tap on Block Sender. This feature is designed to automatically filter out any future emails from this specific sender, ensuring they won't clutter your inbox anymore. After you tap on Block Sender, a confirmation window will appear on your screen asking you if you wish to proceed with this action. This is Outlook's way of making sure you're certain about blocking this sender, as it's an important decision that affects how you receive emails. To confirm your choice and complete the blocking process, tap on Block Sender again in the confirmation window. Once you do this, Outlook will immediately add this sender to your blocked list, and all future emails from them will be automatically filtered out of your inbox. And that's it. You've successfully blocked emails from a specific sender on your iPhone using Outlook, ensuring a cleaner and more organized inbox. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.